Greenhouse is live now. Not yet. একটা টিস্যু দে না বেটা প্লিজ ওয়াইপ অফ মাই স্পেক্সটা ঠিক হয়নি হুম No, she's bringing it. Yes, dear friends. It's not clear.
Riddhi Nair is watching from Facebook.
Hello, Riddhi. Riddhi, you're welcome.
Deepti Bhattacharya is watching.
Deepti. Deepti, bhalo acho? Be with me for some time. I'm bringing out my blouses today, showing you all the blouses, variety of blouses, blouse material. This is not showing, no? This portion is showing, no? Friends, please connect. Is it coming okay? Meena, did you shut that bell? It's like this? Yes, friends, I'm here for you all. Greenhouse is calling you. Greenhouse, Kolkata.
Nindita Dedatta is watching. Swati is watching. Shreya Bhattacharya is watching.
Yes, all of you. I'm so happy. Be with me for some time. আমি আজকে ব্লাউজেস দেখাবো সবাইকে কিছু ব্লাউজেস and then we have our collections of শাড়ি তো কিছু দেখাতেই হবে শাড়িও দেখাবো কিন্তু প্রথমে ব্লাউজেস দেখাই there are lot of requests for blouses.
Renuka is watching.
Renuka and what about my YouTube friends? দেখছে সবাই good and as soon as we start we should start now.
Momita Dev.
ও মৌমিতা আসতে হবে সবাইকে সব অনেক জিনিসপত্র সব তোড়জোড় করে নিয়ে বসে আছে গ্রিন হাউসে ইউ মাস্ট অল ড্রপ ইন টু গ্রিন হাউস একটা টাচ ফিল তো দেখে করলেও ভালো হয় ঠিক আছে শুরু করি তাহলে গ্রিন হাউস presenting this is all about blouses today I will show you a lot of blouses নানা রকম ব্লাউজ দিয়ে শুরু করি I am reporting from P548 Lake Road Kolkata 29 548 Lake Road Kolkata 29 and the booking number 8981070339. Yes, friends, we start with the blouses. Shall I wait? No. Acha, this is the first one. This is the first one.
Shorbori Datta is watching.
Sharbori, দেখছো তোমরা, আমি ভীষণ খুশি। এই দেখো, look at this. Look at the handwork. Enjoy the handwork. This 42 size blouses I'm giving you, all on Rubia. And we have this kind of back effect. 42 size. This goes for 1850, dear friends. 1850. 1850. One more. আরেকটা দেখাই। 40 size blouses. Very comfortable. This is the back side. Oof, you haven't hooked also properly. Just a minute. এত তাড়াহুড়ো হয় না। এটা দেখো, very smart ones. And খুব comfortable ব্লাউজ গুলো। একটু দেখো এগুলো। This is the one like this. It's like this, and the back. This is also 1850. 1850. 1850 blouses. Pick up fast. Whatever you've liked, send me a screenshot. I'm holding it. Look at this. They're all pure cottons, comfortable wear. $18.50, dear friends. $18.50. $18.50 में फटाफट देखिए ब्लाउजेस। Blouses for $18.50. I'll show you this. It will show সুন্দর. Look at this. It's very pretty work. They're all hand embroidered ones, dear friends.
Suchi Shubhra Paul is watching.
সুচি, ভালো লাগছে? দেখো ব্লাউজেস দেখাচ্ছি আমি। These are all going for $18.50.
Pompa Shaha is watching.
পম্পা, সবাইকে অনেক অনেক মোস্ট ওয়েলকাম। আর একটুখানি থেকো। এই ব্লাউজেস গুলো এরকম দেখালাম। There are different types of blouses. So beautifully done up. This is the front. And deep, squarish low length. 42 size, dear friends. This is 42 size, and we have an allowance of 2 inches. This is 2600. 2600. All embroidered ones. এগুলো বিনা, এগুলো তুলে নাও। 2600. Look at this. Such a beauty. This is the front. We have given allowance of 2 inches on each side. Back of the blouse. This, my dear, this is costing 3,000. 3,000 is the cost of this blouse. 3,000. Here, yes. Wonderful effect. Look at this. This is the front.
Reema Roy is watching.
সব দেখো ভালো করে, সবার নাম হয়তো মিস করছি, পড়তে পারছি না, বাট একটু কনসেন্ট্রেট করো, দেখে দেখে নাও। অ্যান্ড উই হ্যাভ গিভেন, এই স্লিভসেও কাজ আছে দেখো, দিস ইজ দ্য স্লিভ। This is the front. This is the back of the blouse. This is costing 2,800. 2,800.
Kavya, hello ma'am.
Hello. Hello. এগুলো একটু দেখিয়ে দিই। These are all very pretty ones. Very pretty ones. Similar. This we have already shown you once. There are two pieces in this.
Lakshmi, hi ma'am, very nice piece.
42 size. 42 size. And we have given margin
Rupa,
of
hi,
2
ma'am.
inches. Rupa, long time no see. Why? You were not there. Last episode, I didn't get you. Missing you. I was remembering you. Acha, this is the one. This we have done in plenty. It was in demand. This is the one. These are all 42 size. Generally, you can make it to 44, dear friends.
Rupa, I missed
41.
last live.
Yes. ये देखो, काफी अच्छी ब्लाउजेस हैं, और दिस इज, दे आर ऑल विद लाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. आई forgot to mention they are all with rubia lining, this quality. I'll open out and show you. And there's a margin also. Margin bhi achhi khasi margin hai. Look at this. These are the 3 stitches. 42 size. And it'll open out this much on both the sides. কলকাতার বন্ধুরা নিশ্চয়ই আসুন, all nearby friends, Durgapur, Asansol, they can always drop in. 42 size, 42 size, dear friends. 44 you can make, 44, 45 also. It is the same type of blouses. Yes, this is the one. This is with the square neckline. Square neckline. Yes. How do you find the blouses? This is 2,600. 2,600 for this one. Achha, now I will show you my batik ones. Batik blouses. Today to dhamaka blouse hi dikhayenge. These blouses, they're all with good lining. This is the back side. Isn't it pretty? They're all wax batik, but not print. Processed batik blouses. This is the front. Front has this princess cut. The lining blouses are for 1,200. 1,200. 1,200, please. Are you enjoying the blouses? Look at this. This is one more. The blouses are here for you. This is on one side, you know.
Maria, yes ma'am. Kavya, today's sari episode.
This is for 1,200 again. 1,200. We had some more also to show you. Oh, this is a lovely one. Look at this. Look at this. Enjoy, enjoy, friends. You wanted to see blouses for a long time. These are for 1,200 for regular use. It's not those jazzy ones. They are for regular use. The wanted ones. যেগুলো আমরা সারা মানে সব সময় দরকার হয় যেসব ব্লাউজ মিক্স ম্যাচ উইথ ইয়োর sarees. Shall I show you some more? We have these ones also. এগুলো আছে. This is the one, this is the front. Yes, friends, go through the blouses, and if I miss any this thing, let me know. The price I will quote. This is with the kalamkari patch and katha. It's not mentioned. This is 42 size, I think. This is 40 size. It's coming okay. What more? You want to see more and more? These are the blouses. Blouses, click. Whatever you have liked, click.
Shampa Madhumita is watching.
Shampa, Madhumita. This is 1050. 1050. Dear friends, Jadir, if you have missed any of the price, cost, let me know. Send me a screenshot. I'll let you know the price. 1050. This is the one. Sleeves like this, and we have some more also. Eta dekhiye di. Oh, Neha, you
Aunty will visit your place soon.
when?
From Neha and Jesh.
নেহা আসতে হবে তো, কতদিন আসনি তোমরা? তোমার জিনিস রয়ে গেছে এত, কত জিনিস রয়ে গেছে তোমার। ডু কাম। হাউ ইজ জয়শ্রী?
Ipshita, size 40 do you have?
Yes, very many. Ipshita, let me know. You go through my recorded this thing and just click and send me. You know, lovely things are happening in greenhouse এখন, অনেক জিনিস তৈরি হয়। চলে এসো। All of you must visit. This is 1250 with very good lining also. Good lining.
Neha, ekdom ashbo Gopa aunty love. Mom is doing live.
Love. Mom is okay? Fine. দেখো. Look at this. Aren't they good? Some more? More you wanted to see? This is the one. एक से कुछ ना कुछ आगे पीछे करके कर ही लेते हैं हम लोग। देखो कितना है। They're all ready to use. Oh, this I've already shown. Yeah, it's a bright one. এটা দেখো। This is a large one. This is how much? Oof, this is not written. সামনে tag আছে? Let me see, let me check. Yes, this is 44. You can make till 46. 44 size.
Nita Mukherjee, lots of love.
Love to you, Nita. করে যাচ্ছি গো টুকটাক করে। এটাই তো আমাদের লাইফ লাইন, এটাই আমার অবলম্বন। এই নিয়েই ব্যস্ত থাকি সারাদিন। কি করব, একটা তো পারপাস থাকতে হবে। সব পারপাসই তো প্রায় আমাদের সবই শেষ হয়ে গেল। পারপাস যা ভেবেছিলাম কিছুটা তো করে এনেছি, এখন এই নিয়েই থাকি। তাই look at this. Look at this. Comfortable to use. যখন তখন যে কোনো একটার সঙ্গে মিক্স ম্যাচ অ্যান্ড আউট ইউ গো। Simple ones. They look really nice. পরলে না এফেক্টটা বোঝা যায়। These are all in that range only, 1250. This is 1050. Nothing much. 1050. Very comfortable wear. But now I will finish up with the blouses. This is the front with the lining and with this wonderful katha patch. Look at this. How stylish it will look when worn. তোমরা তো কি সুন্দর সাজতে পারো, সুন্দর সুন্দর করে যাবে এসব পরে। Look at this. This is for how much? This is 40 size going for 1050. That's all. আজ আর দেখাবো না। That's all. Let me. Later on, we will take this again. Show. Oh, one more I wanted to show you. There's a good one. Look at this. Blouses অনেক দেখিয়ে দিলাম। And so this is for 1800. 1800. 1800. Take it away. Take it away. Hello, hello.
Ma'am, your saree is wonderful. Indira.
Oh, I was giving these saris for 5200. আচ্ছা আরেকটু দেখাই। I wanted to give you these. এগুলো কিন্তু ব্লাউজ পিসেস। I told you they'll be all about blouses. কিছু দেখিয়ে দিই। Lot of inquiries for these blouses. Look at this. There's a handwork blouses. 2800. Handwork blouses are going for 2800. This is the back. And for the sleeves, look at these. We have given this type of 2 sleeves. ভালো করে দেখাও। Peach color. This is the second one. The sleek embroidery. They're all.
Sita, you once wore white blouse with full katha. Do you have something like that?
We have আমার মনে হয় ফিনিশ হয়ে গেছে কি আছে কি না দেখো তো 2800 টাকা। This is for 2800. 2800 is the going rate. এটাও খুব সুন্দর। These are all made on very good material so that it can be used properly. This is the back side. Soft peach color. $2800. পছন্দ হচ্ছে সব? 2800 টাকা দাম। 2800 only. These are going for 2800, dear friends, with these 2 types of sleeves. Tails, we have a black one. $2800, dear friends. And if you have liked, and so many of your friends have same type of taste as you have, so you can just share my channel. I'll be so grateful to you. সবাইকে চ্যানেলটা একটু শেয়ার করবেন প্লিজ। The YouTubers, no? YouTube যারা দেখছে, YouTubers. These are for 2800. একেবারে কমফোর্টেবল প্রাইসে এগুলো দিয়ে দিচ্ছি যাতে everybody look at this. This is a very beautiful shade in yellow. Oh, this is the Parsi work. These are for the sleeves only. I've developed it for the sleeves only. This is on crepe georgette. And, oh, I wanted to show something else.
Sober
also,
Rani,
right?
ma'am, base fabric, silk or cotton?
These are all silk. Look at this. Dab. I don't know. Very good quality crepe I'm giving you. Where's the tissue? Yes. This is one of them. Go ahead and buy. And friends, if you want a sari, make up your mind. Whatever you want, you make up your mind and then only you let me know.
Gitanjali, like done.
Thank you, dear. मगर उसके बाद ना, if you keep just you ignore my message and all, so don't keep me hanging, dear friends. I love you all. Don't keep me hanging. अभी नहीं, some excuses you will give. That is your moral responsibility. Please, friends. देखो, this is like this. This is for 2800, dear friends. 2800. 2800. এটা দেখিয়ে দিয়েছি?
No.
Not yet. It's a lovely peach colored blouse. This is the one. These have the sleeves. These are 2 sleeves. একটা এরকম ব্লাউজ তৈরি থাকলে না অনেক কিছু ইউজ করে নেওয়া যায়, অনেক জায়গায়, অনেক শাড়ির সঙ্গে। It's like this. 2800. 2800. Want to give you this or what? Acha, shawls so quickly I don't want to give. The stoles we had, not the black and white ones, where are they? Oh, they're here. Look at the stoles, the small short, this thing. Lovely ones. Katha stoles on tussar. Katha stoles which are 1.8 in length, and these are going for 2800, dear friends. 2800 for this. 2800. And similarly we have this one also.
Devi.
Look at this.
Priyadarshini.
20. Hi Devi. Priyadarshini, hi. 2800. 2800. $2,800 for all this. This is black and white series. So I finished up with this black and white series. They're all going for 2800 on tussar. 2800 on tussar. Acha, I have the painted ones, no? Ekta painted dekhiye di. You can make a kaftan out of it. These are all hand painted on tussar. Hand painted material on tussar. You can make it as a dupatta also, you can carry on tussar. And well, you can make a kaftan, it will make a very beautiful thing. We have made a few and we have been selling these. I'll be giving this for 3200. 3200, dear friends, it's on tussar. 3200. The back side is also has this motif. The knickknacks I finished showing. There are plenty to show you, but these are the kind of things we are having in our store. So just a glimpse of all these. These are going for 1500. You can wrap on, make it as a wrapper. All katha. Embroidery. Look at this. They're all on cotton, pure cotton. You can make it as a dupatta, lovely dupatta. We have in plenty. We are keeping, if you want, so I will be able to display and show you in next episode this kind of stuff. A lot of things are here now. And I will be showing my saris. Saris dikha dete hain abhi. Let me show you my Gujarati jeta. This is the one. Saris is for you this time. Look at this. These are all on Gachi Tassar. Gorgeous one. Party wear one. Darun Shundo Shundo Shari. Are you enjoying, friends? Bharpur kaam hai. Lot of profuse work. Look at this. Heavy achul. Look at this. It's total effect. They're all vertical paneling done, and that has been done up with Kutch embroidery. The first half of the sari, and
Rate of this
yes, I will give you. And this is the
price, please, Swati.
yes, I will give you 14,800 is the price for this sari. Look at this, how gorgeous it will look when worn. This will be the effect. This is what I wanted to give you. They are all on my Satrangi range because we have named these all on Satrangi range. This is the sari is dyed like this. দেখুন এইভাবে শাড়িটাকে ডাই করা হয়েছে. It's dyed like this. ऐसे बनी हुई है साड़ी. And these are all on Gachi Tassar. And the whole of this, it gives a very beautiful effect when worn. Very gorgeous. एकदम शादियों वाली लगन वाली साड़ी है. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. And they're all handmade so that it is light to carry also. अब पहनोगे तो आराम तो होना ही चाहिए. একটু তো সাজতেও হবে, थोड़ी सी श्रृंगार भी जरूरत है और बहुत सुंदर लगती है ये साड़ियाँ. Look at this. How gorgeous it will look. This I'll give for 14,800, dear friends, with the blouse piece. One of my friends have complained you are not showing the blouse pieces. No, I will. This is the blouse piece for the blouse, for the sari. ये वाली है blouse piece. देखो, this is the blouse piece. I've got two pieces made like this. Be attentive and see. Look at this. It's a beautiful one. 14,800, dear friends. 14,800. And one more, I'll show you the similar kind. So you have an option also. Yeah, this is the one. Look at this. They are meant to be gorgeous. Gujarati te na ektu chamak dhamak nahi hone se Gujarati ka kya maza. This Kutch embroidery, they really click if you put these glamorous things, the shiny stuff, little bit. This is the one. $14,800, dear friends. 14,800. Look at the color scheme. Color scheme you will be able to make out from here. এই দিকটা দেখলে বুঝতে পারবেন কি কালারে পুরো শাড়িটা গেছে। ইট ইজ লাইক দিস। Go through it minutely, before setting up your mind to take. This is like this. 14,800, dear friends. 14,800. Lovely combination. The blending of colors you must enjoy. 14,800. Hold it. Acha. I wanted to show you the kathas. Katha. This katha we have had once, this thing, long time back, maybe 3, 4, 5 months back. Now it is all ready. So it was
Organi Roy, খুব সুন্দর শাড়িগুলো।
শাড়ি সুন্দর, তোমরাও সুন্দর। এবার তো আসতে হবে, এবার তো তা না হলে তো সুন্দর তো দরকার একটু পরে। সুন্দর সুন্দর মেয়েদেরও ঝামেলা, তাদের তো পরতেই হবে সুন্দর সুন্দর শাড়ি, কেনাও হয়ে যায় বেশি, তাই না? Look at this. Look at this. This is a katha, Believe me, I had given 2 to make, and this is again ready. After I think 4, 5 months later, I'm getting it. This has gone to somebody. Look at this. Isn't that from far you are getting a look of Assam weave? আসামের শাড়ি মুঙ্গার উপরে মনে হচ্ছে না কাঁথা ডিজাইনটা? It's like this. It's like this, my dear friends. এটা দেখুন কি সুন্দর শাড়িটা হয়েছে। মিষ্টি শাড়িটা পরলেও ভালো লাগবে। Look at this.
Yes.
একদম আসাম weave। এটার আমার আরেকটা করতে দিয়েছি, সেটাও আসবে বোধহয় কিছুদিন পরে। This is the second one of the same design. And it was in demand and I could give only to one. Now it is ready and jump and take it. Otherwise, এটাও তারপরে আমার মিস হয়ে যাবে। Look at this.
Renu, will you show kurtis?
So this is the one. This is the katha. Where is that blouse piece? Is over here, no? The blouse is this side. And friends, enjoy the intricacy. Kajta dekhun. How beautifully it has been done. And touch and feel. Please do drop in if you can. You can make it, see for yourself and take it. खूब निपुणता से बनाया हुआ है। It's like this. This is for 20,000. One more. The kathas. Look at this. এটা আঁচলটা দেখুন আগে, পুরো ন্যাচারাল ফাইবার। Natural fiber, this tussar base.
How about kurtis?
Just look at this. अरे रितु, मैं दशभुजा तो नहीं हूँ रेनू। दशभुजा होने से आई कुड अरेंज शोइंग यू कुर्तीज एक साथ, साड़ी भी एक साथ, सभी दिखाते हैं। रेनू माय डियर, आज तो साड़ियाँ ही दिखाएंगे, आपको बैठने पड़ेगा अभी साड़ी में।
Ipshita, you told me you had heavy work Gujarati in black.
Yes, you like to see? देखा तो ब्लैकটা, ওটা দেখিয়ে দাও। The second one, yes. পরে দেখাবো একটু। ইপসিতা বসে থাক, একটু পরে দেখাচ্ছি। একটু থাকো, একটু দেখাচ্ছি। और रेनू कुर्तीज के लिए और थोड़ा देर वेट करो। आज नहीं दिखाएंगे कुर्तीज, नेक्स्ट टाइम देन। Look at this. Such good stuff. I feel pride in myself. अच्छा लग रहा है दिखाने में. What a beauty. Put up this AC to control. Look at this. The one which has a blouse on the same color. এটা ভীষণ সুন্দর. দামটা দেখি. 16,000 dear friends. 16,000 for this. The best of quality you will get.
Sujata Devnath is watching.
এই shows.
বাসন্তী রে অসাধারণ শাড়ি।
Bashanti, love you. Bashanti Ashwini.
নমস্কার ম্যাম।
নমস্কার, নমস্কার. You have to make it. You have to come. You have to come. একদিন চলে এসো. চলে এসো. ভালো ভালো শাড়ি দেবো. This is 16,000. 16,000 and one more. This is also money. There was a lot of demand for this kind of work, early work. এটা খুব মানে this auspicious holy feeling. খুব মাঙ্গলিক ওই শাড়িটা পরলেই খুব ভালো লাগে. দেখুন. Oh, the workmanship. কি fine intricate কাজ দেখুন.
Indrani is watching.
ইন্দ্রাণী কর্মকার
Bhattacharya.
ভট্টাচার্য. আসতে হবে, সব মুখগুলো তো ভুলে যাচ্ছি, তাই না?
Jyoti
আসতে
Sarkar
হবে.
is watching.
আজকে কতদিন পরে একজন এসছে, আমি বলে ভুলেই গেছি, তোর মুখটাই ভুলে গেছি. জ্যোতি
Laskar.
জ্যোতি নস্কর.
How I share you with others.
শেয়ার কি করে করবে?
How I
Share-
share you. There is an option. बोलो arrow करा arrow.
একটা एक ऑप्शन है ज्योति, देखिए एरो किया हुआ है
Right hand side
राइट हैंड साइड पे. यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट
and then send the person who you want to send.
To WhatsApp or
To WhatsApp.
Facebook.
थ्रू व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक. यू कैन जस्ट इंस्टाग्राम, किसी में भी भेजो. Hey Jyoti, take somebody's help उधर and must do it. It will help me. Even I was like that. मैंने आस्ते आस्ते ही सब कुछ समझ आ जाता. Even I was not computer savvy and all these. Look at this.
Ira is watching.
Ira?
Ira Bandipati.
Ira Bandyopadhyay. Happy to be with you all. তোমরা তো আমায় দেখতে পাচ্ছ, আমি তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছি না. Look at this. How do you find this saree? Come on, pick up friends. They're all good material. You have to believe in me what I give you. This is 18,800. 18,000. It is above 18,000, my dear friends. The volume of work. প্রচুর কাজ, আর প্রচুর মানে এত কাজ হয়েছে, কিন্তু इतना काम हुआ है बट सारी हल्की है. That is the beauty. But it is done in single thread. सिंगल थ्रेड में मोटे मोटे जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है साड़ी बनने में, और भारी भी हो जाती है. শাড়ি भी भारी हो जाती है, একেবারে ভারী হয়ে যায় শাড়িগুলো. কিন্তু এত ফাইন স্টিচেস, it doesn't মানে give you that weighty saree feeling. It's like this. দারুণ সুন্দর শাড়িটা, পরলেই ভালো লাগবে, পরতে হবে ছটপট ছটপট নিয়ে. হ্যাঁ, this is 18,800. Best of Gachi I've given you. One more. এটাও দেখিয়ে দিই. This is a classic piece. This we make in 3-4 designs with this work. First they complete this, so I know about this. We are having a 3-4 sarees of this design. Look at this, the workmanship. How fine it is. And Dual border on both the sides, different color. दूर से फेक दिखाओ. The whole sari looks like this. This is the आंचल. आंचलটা দেখুন. This is the one, and the second part is like this, a lighter embroidery. Otherwise, it will look clumsy. बहुत ज़्यादा घिच-घिच हो जाएगा. It's like this. So that's all for today, huh? I won't show more. দেখো, look at this. Drop in যাদের ভালো লাগছে শাড়ি, কলকাতার কাছাকাছি আসেন. Please do visit us. This is 22,000 dear. This is all on a very fine quality and খুব ভালো কাজ হয়েছে. Very good quality. This is the one. It's like this. It's a beauty. So let me wind up. I don't have a mind. Next time then. Wednesday. Kunta. Ipshita. Okay, Ipshita, I keep your request. Just a minute. I forgot about that. Okay, I will. Okay. Ipshita, just hold on. This is the one. A grand piece, which is on tussar. Bah piece. দেখলেই ইচ্ছে করবে বাহ শাড়িটা ভালো. It's like this. This is the आंचल part. Very decorative design sari. देखो detailing টা দেখুন. This is the आंचल part. Multicolored. On tussar. Neha, you remember your sari? You've taken this kind of sari from me. The same design has been repeated after, I think, 1 year or so. Neha is still there? I don't know. Look at this. Your sari is still lying with me. She has paid and kept it for so long. She's a busy person. Ashay nahi nite. Look at this. Dekho. Oh, this is a wonderful piece. Look at this. Look at the fall, my dear friends. And this will come like this. What a beauty. This will be like this. If you tuck it inside, ekটু দেখিয়ে দিই করে. This is somewhat like this. I wanted to give you my best, but I'm not sure. This is like this. The sari goes like this. দেখো তা আঁচলটা দেখো. So Ipshita, with love, I'm showing you this one, and the blouse piece runs like this. Both the sleeves का ये दो ये बना लो for the sleeves, and this is for the back of the blouse. That's all, friends. Thank you so much. So
How much?
Oh, how much? How much? That's
Maria.
just around 18 to 20 hoga. Let me see. They're all good on tassers, so the price becomes वही 18-20 वाला ही हो जाता है. What was that? Yes, that was 20,600, dear friends. 20,600. 20,600. And the finer the embroidery, the cost becomes more. The mandates becomes more and the cost becomes more. The quality of embroidery, Kutch embroidery. This is 20,600. Dear friends, on tussar. But that's all for today. So keep smiling. Thank you, friends. Love you, dear ones. Love you all.